There's these two inner knobs you need to loosen. And then there's another one on the other side.
Okay.
And then you lift this up. And then the whole seat flips direction.
And then you go back here.
And we flip the whole driver's seat flat.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Then we come back here and we take the table off of the back door.
And the table has legs and arms.
Okay. 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 The leg comes down and goes.
There's a hole here for
Hang
it
on.
to go in.
There's a hole.
These two arms come out.
Okay, go ahead.
You swing the arms out. The long one goes here, the short one goes here, that goes on these two little pegs. And then you have a table.
And you can seat.
And then you climb it. Someone can sit here. You could take the seat out if you need to. Sit there.